So what you're gonna do is start up the car first. And after that, we're gonna use this pad here to go back, left, right, up, down, and enter. Okay. So now, do you look at it? It say go back. So what we're gonna do is push back. And now you can go to the setting right here. You can go to the right. And hold down OK. Scroll down. Keep going. Where it says maintenance, push OK. Push up, push OK. Now push back. You don't have it. It does by itself. And push back again, and that's it.